My name is Erin Terry, and I'm account director at Refinery29.
I'm Alexa Rhodes, and I'm a producer at Refinery29.
Makeup and beauty definitely can elevate a look. It just amplifies beauty that is already existing. I'm for sure a proponent of beauty within and it coming outside.
When I heard about the CVS Epic Beauty event, I knew I had to be involved because over the pandemic, I really tried to nail the no makeup look. So I really hope that this challenge pushes me out of my comfort zone. Okay, you go first.
Oh my God. All right, so I'm doing 90s throwback. Oh my gosh. Very
abstract and artsy.
Whoa, that's exciting.
That is something I never do. I'm very like no makeup look.
And here I feel like lots of color. I think that's cute.
What about you?
I think with the 90s, it's definitely a lip liner moment. Some lashes, maybe a matte sort of finish. 90s supermodel-ish.
I see that for you.
We'll see.
Okay, I'm so excited to see you at the CVS Epic Beauty event.
Yes, me too. Let's go.
Love a good sale.
Same. I see we're over here by the primer, so I would love to grab a primer. I think I'm going for hydration.
Okay, perfect. Priming Glow Mist. 8 hours of hydration. I need this, so hopefully it stays on the budget because I've got a lot of things to buy. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. Let's divide and conquer.
All right, let's do it. So I love Maybelline's line, Pearl Bounce. Very excited to use this.
Speaking of the eyes, I need some lashes. So these are gonna be the move.
Oh my gosh, I love to see all this diversity of colors. And I think I've got my 3, so I get to buy 2, get 1 free.
Since CoverGirl's having such a good deal right now, I definitely want to get this foundation, the 220 Creamy Natural.
This really was an epic beauty sale.
I know.
I'm excited about this. Let's see.
I'm scared.
I'm like not good at the budget, but let's see.
You first, ladies first.
I'm so excited to see yours with the
It's
color.
gonna be so bold.
Oh, gosh, it'll be great. Beauty is where I really have a lot of fun, so I can base a look on how I'm feeling that day. What I wear on the outside, including my makeup, is a reflection of me.
I work on a lot of editorial projects, and beauty content was something I never thought I would actually be working on. I absolutely am obsessed with it because confidence comes from within, and getting to do that every day with different people is so exciting for me.
How much more time do you need, Alexa?
I feel like I'm ready.
Ready?
How about
I
you?
think I'm ready too. All right.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay. Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. You look amazing.
I love your look. Look at your eyes.
Okay, you see this?
Yes, the pink, the blue. I
feel
love
like
that.
you could bring the 90s makeup back. Like this is it. The lip liner, perfect choice.
Thank you so much. And the highlighter. You got a highlighter. I love that. I think we did good.
We did really good.
Did really good.
I feel like we're the A-team, and
Yeah.
we did it on a budget.
We did.